cousin on YouTube at It's
Pick your mouth up. Pick your mouth up.
Let's get into the look, man.
Okay.
Hit together. Bow. Fashionista.
Michael Jackson.
Hello, boys and beauties. Welcome back to my channel. As you see, we got a different scenery going on in the back. I am in my cousin's closet, Andrea. I stay in this girl closet. I love her freaking closet. I can't wait for y'all to see what we got going on. I'm gonna bring my cousin in this thing. I looked up to her. This is my fave. Well, one of my faves. Other people gonna be mad. I don't want nobody to be mad at me because I don't want no smoke. So I hope you like what you see so far. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you go to It's Andrea Monroe from head to toe. Go subscribe to her YouTube channel, okay? Now get out of my face. Let's get into these looks. So we in quarantine, and I came to Augusta to come see my favorite cousin to let her style me. Welcome to my channel, Andrea Monroe from what?
Head to toe.
Okay. So we are in her closet, y'all. This is what the
Welcome.
closet is looking like.
Welcome to my room. Well, it was all a dream closet, guys.
It is popping in here. It's galore. Quarantine. So we are gonna go through some looks that she put together for me.
Yes, and keep in mind, guys, my dream closet is still under construction.
Nobody's judging her. We don't judge. The beauties don't judge. The dreamers. We don't judge y'all.
Dreamers!
Right. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe this video. Before y'all do, make sure y'all go follow my cousin on YouTube at It's Andrea Monroe from head to toe. So the first look that we will be reviewing is the date night look.
Yes, honey.
So Andrea,
that
what
was
did you
so
put
sexy.
together? What did you
Honey.
do? What you put together?
Honey, listen, when I tell y'all this girl got a Coke bottle shape, so it's fun I'm curvy. I love dressing people that's curvy. So
Yeah.
we gave her a nice little off the shoulder and whatnot. A nice little off the shoulder beauty.
Yeah, real cute.
Kind of short, a little raunchy.
A little raunchy.
So babe can be drooling before
Okay.
he eat his food and whatnot. And so we topped it off with a nice little clutch. Very detailed. And then how you killing with the shoe?
Bow.
And these straights.
Real cute.
Real cute.
When did you order these?
These were actually my very first pair. I bought these when I was 25 years old. I'm about to say I'm 25 again. I'm 33. So you do the math, but these were my very first pair I bought.
All right. Y'all want to see the look? Let's get into the look. Y'all like that look? You like that look?
Honey,
I love that look.
killed it.
Okay. So what's the first thing you want to do on your 9 to 5 when you leave work? Go to happy hour.
Before I quit.
Go to happy hour. Okay. So today, Andrea put together a 9 to 5 happy hour look.
I did.
The dress consists of this little chic thing.
Honey, wait. They got to
Cute.
see the sheer. Wait, whoa there. Sheer.
It's real cute.
Very chic. Very nice. Yes.
Where you get this from?
This is.
Don't even know. That's how you know she shopped too much.
I
You can't even tell nobody. So somebody.
I want to say I inherited this.
Oh, okay.
I did. I think somebody donated it for my nonprofit, and it wasn't prime material, so it came to the kid.
Okay. What was the clutch like? What was your shoes like?
Okay, so we came with a little, I wanted to give him a little booty.
That's real cute.
Okay, so we gave him a little.
Giving me Prince vibes.
Yes. No, that's Michael
Michael
Jackson. Okay.
What?
So,
Say it again. And the clutch.
Got the clutch.
That's real
Came through
cute.
with the clutch, so we got the matching clutch
Okay.
and booties.
Real cute.
Statement pieces for sure. You walk through any Fridays, any
Anyway.
lounge, anywhere, honey,
Any
with that
mimosa grill,
ensemble,
okay.
honey, they gonna be like,
Dang.
pick your mouth up.
Cute.
Pick your mouth up.
Let's get into the look, man. like the 9 to 5 happy hour. I was feeling it.
9 to 5 is now 5 to 9.
Okay. So what's one thing we can't do? We can't go to no dang on parties. None. And day parties, that's my signature. Okay? I be out there with my friends, like, hey. So let's get into a day party look. So this was inspired by what? What was your idea when we did this?
So, because it's probably going to be summertime, this is definitely a thrifted piece. But because it's probably going to be summertime, by the time we are all lifted from shutdown of COVID, Roro, I am giving brightness.
Yes.
I'm giving you sexy. I'm giving you chic. I'm giving you thigh. I'm giving you open toes. I'm giving you everything. Everything that is going to make you dream of spring. So I dream of spring.
This is cute too, because like this can go with anybody's skin complexion.
Yeah.
It complimented me for sure.
But this is so like I could
cute.
easily go to the beach and let my little train hit the sand.
Right.
Baby girl, this is all purpose, okay?
What we do with the clutch?
Okay, so we came through with the clutch.
Came through with the clutch. Came through and the clutch.
Okay, so we gonna hit it with some colors. I love color blocking.
Yes.
Like it's my absolute favorite because I'm
Cute.
stuck in the 80s and 90s.
Right.
But I love color blocking. And also, we have to hit them with the shoes.
Oh,
with
yeah.
the color block shoes.
Put the shoes up close, man.
Honey, listen. Let me tell y'all something.
Look at that.
Let me tell y'all
That's
something.
a hit right there.
Where you going? Where you going?
This is a
where
hit.
you going? You going to a day party. Okay?
This is it. This is it.
So yeah, so these are very comfortable, very cute. I love this style of shoe because it gives you a little platform, so you ain't gonna be looking like all falls down
like
with it. You ain't gonna be looking
like
like
a
that. So you're gonna be still cute or whatever.
We're gonna have to get into this look. You want to see this look?
Come on, let's get into
I want to see
it.
that. Ow!
Killed it.
It was it.
Killed it.
That was it.
That was it.
That was it. Y'all
And then
definitely gotta tell people what outfit did you like the most though? Once this is
Yeah,
all over
definitely.
with.
Definitely. We're gonna
It's
hit.
kinda hard.
We're gonna have style 1, style 2, style. Y'all listen. Y'all gonna probably say all of them.
Yeah, but you can only pick one though. We can only have one winner.
Okay, and one runner up.
Okay.
Because that's fair.
So let's get into the next
Okay.
one.
So listen, guys. So this is going to be your girls' night.
Yes.
Um.
Hit the streets.
Yeah.
In the streets.
Yeah. Been locked up in the house way too long.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this.
Summer night?
Yeah. This
Yeah.
is gonna be that little feel. So.
Hit this. Do.
Initially, this was going to be a blazer, but when I seen how long it was on Bougie, I was like, listen, this is a whole dress.
Cute.
It's a whole dress movement.
Cute.
So this is giving me Versace vibes.
Oh yes.
So why not pair it up with Versace all over my body?
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's hit the purse.
So we hit it with the purse,
Cute.
but we ain't stopped there.
No, we did not.
Okay. We hit it with the belt.
Let's hit the belt though. The belt. The belt.
And then we hit them with the shoes.
Yes, shoes.
So
Now these hit. These are a hitter together.
Yeah.
These are a hit together. You know what I'm saying?
And
Like
the belt. And the belt.
if you're gonna piece it together right. And guess how much the dress was though.
The dress was definitely a thrifted piece.
Okay.
Probably didn't cost
Like
more than $5.
okay.
So, honey, this was $5.
This was a
Tops.
look.
Yeah.
That's what it
I
was.
might have got it half off that day. I don't know. It's been hanging up for so long. I can't remember, but it's definitely from the thrift store.
Okay. Let's get into the look.
Ah.
Look,
She killed
I think
it.
that's my favorite look though.
Yeah.
That was
honey,
fun.
honey, because you love giving a little.
That was cute.
Killing her with the shoulders.
That was cute.
Killing with the shoulders.
Killing with the.
Oh, hey, killing with the.
Oh, okay, no, for real. So the next look, this is the final look. Okay, this is really Easter vibes. We really don't even know what
spring.
this is.
Yeah,
So-
this was just like, where's your jeans?
Right.
I'ma throw something with these jeans. We gonna make it pop.
Ooh, this
Baby,
is real cute.
this is a thrifted piece. When I tell y'all I am the thrifting goddess, it's not a game.
This is
like
so cute.
So it's thrifted, honey. I probably didn't pay more than $5 for that shirt. Who knows how much I paid for? I probably got it on sale as well.
Yes.
But we're gonna say I paid $5 for it. It's
Look
very
at that.
detailed. Whoever had it previously before
They took
me,
good care of this.
very good care. Not
like
a
nothing
sequence is gone. So
It's really cute.
yes.
Okay. And we get a clutch. The clutch.
And then we just gave them these little booties.
This
So
is
we
good.
color
This is
block.
good color block.
We definitely color block.
You know.
Honey, listen. When you walk through, nobody gonna forget because you're gonna be the brightest thing in
Okay.
there. Okay.
We color inside and
Yeah.
outside the lines.
So,
Okay.
Markela had the black jeans. I was like, let's dress it up.
Yup.
Let's make it look, you know.
Real cute.
Yeah.
We did that.
We
and
did.
It came out cute. And we bunned it up, you know.
Yeah, we gave it a serious but fun look with the bun. Okay.
And if you want to know how I got this hairstyle, make sure you go back to my last video that I posted. That way you can get this inspiration vibe.
We're going to add a card at the top so y'all
real
can
quick.
see. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. For sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
But we're going to get into that look, though.
Come on.
Well, guys, enjoyed as much as I enjoyed digging in my cousin's closet yet again. You know,
It was so much fun.
this was fun.
I am so excited to actually be able to start doing more styling. I want to be able to show people more try on hauls. So this has, in a different realm of things, quarantine really been a blessing for me to be able to pour back into my gift, bring my family down.
What?
And this has been so much fun. Like I said, I'm looking forward to styling more people. I'm looking forward to just whatever 2020 brings. I mean,
Yes.
it's been a little rough little 90 days.
But we got this, though.
Yeah.
We got this.
Well, 90 plus, because now we in April.
Right. I'm going to make sure I drop down the link to her YouTube channel, as I stated before. Make
Yes.
sure you like, comment, and subscribe this video, as
Yes.
well as subscribe to her channel. The
Yes.
positive vibes, motivation, the inspiration is nothing but love around these streets.
Honey, women empowering women.
It's everything.
When you empower other people,
You get-
your power strengthens.
And you get to where you want to go faster. I will be
That
working
part.
with other influencers, other stylists, other hairstylists, other makeup artists. I want everybody to have the light. I want everybody to have the time, the love. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, this is Andrea Monroe from head to toe.
Okay,
Beauties.
boys and beauties, this is Markela Tarrance, the Markela Tarrance.
I hope you like what you've seen. The vibes were perfect. Despite a quarantine, we got enough going on. I hope y'all like this. I hope y'all were inspired. Don't think that you have to have a whole lot of money to look fly, okay? As you see, the girl, the queen, the sister, the cousin, she had everything on lock, and everything was probably under $13, okay? Like I stated before, make sure you go to her page, go subscribe, go like, go watch some videos, okay? I hope to see y'all next time. I love you from the bottom of my heart, boys and beauties, and I hope to see you next time.